Okay. So a lot of things are actually happening for Diwali, obviously. Oh, good lighting. Right. So the decorations have started. Mera contribution is zero. Right. I will sit down and create a look for Diwali right now. और हाय कर दो दीपा आंटी हाय या तो people are working. You can see I am not. Like always. Aesthetically pleasing shots लेने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं. Okay. Hi guys, क्या हाल है? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy Diwali. I'm shooting this video today. I'll edit it today and I'll post it today. So it's going to be get ready with me for Diwali. And without wasting any time, I will just start the video because literally 4 बज गए हैं and yeah, I'm running late. मैंने सूट पहन लिया है, obviously you can see, and all the other stuff I'll do after doing the makeup. So without wasting any time, और इतने बकवास नहीं करती मैं, इतना कचर कचर नहीं बोलती, and I'll just start the video. So okay, so we'll just straight away start with the makeup. I'm using MAC Prep and Prime, and I will place it all around my face and let it stay for some time. थोड़ा absorb हो जाए वो, and then we'll start with the rest of the makeup. So we will start with the eye makeup because थोड़ा intense होगा because दिवाली है and wow, पहली product खोल दिया. I'm using Fit Me का concealer and I'm placing it all over the eyelid and उसके बाद हम इसे blend कर लेंगे. Take a beauty blender. इसको थोड़ा सा wet कर लेंगे and we will blend this. Right, that's done. I'm taking Fit Me का loose powder and I'm just placing it all over the eyelid ताकि base set हो जाए and ready हो जाए for the rest of the makeup and yeah, that's about it. So we'll start with the right eye and the eye makeup will be in contrast with whatever I'm wearing and इसलिए थोड़ा जटांग type होगा, maroon, red, golden is what I'm thinking, but we'll see how all of that goes. So I'm going to use my Morphe palette. I will take a clean brush and we will start with the transition shade first. So I will take a very light brown and I will place it on the crease line and मेरा mirror गुम गया है. And I will place it generously on the crease line. Right, that's done. Actually, aesthetics के लिए I thought, right, मैंने ना aesthetics के लिए ये सब भी रखा था, but it's not coming in the frame, so I really can't help it. Happy Diwali, guys. But नहीं आ रहा, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Okay, right. So we've done the transition shade. Now, finally, I'm going to use this palette. We'll take another brush. This is PAC I-Series brush, set में से brush है. And I'm using Friends का eyeshadow palette. And I'm using a shade of maroon. And this is basically Frank Junior Junior. And I'm going to place it basically on the edges. And I will like intensify the same color on the edges and basically reduce its shade while I'm moving towards the inner parts of my eye. Wow, कितना सारा बोल दिया ना, but like I'll just show you what I mean by it. Right, so we will take the shade of maroon and we will place it. We'll start from the edges. Wow, थोड़ा हो रहा है, थोड़ा intensify. We'll do it. Place more product on the edges and blend it and with a very light hand towards the inner parts of the eye because इसमें हम थोड़ा और color लगाएंगे. Keep on blending it and there would be a very nice color that will be deposited on the eye. I've placed the color towards the edges, right? If you see towards the inner parts of the eye, बहुत ही light deposit हुआ है. Why? Because I would want to like थोड़ा glam करना है look because it's Diwali तो थोड़ा अच्छे से तैयार हो जाते हैं यार. So I'm taking my Morphe का palette and from this I'm going to take a shade of gold. I am thinking of taking this shade. I will take the deposit on my hand and बहुत ही undefined way में just place it जो भी area रह गया है. Right, can you see? That is obviously थोड़ा सा glam आ जाता है बस. So I've taken another brush from the pack series only and I am taking black from my Morphe palette and I'm creating a winged eyeliner because I love it. I love creating a winged eyeliner. See, oh my god, the finish is insane. Now I will take a very what do you call it? Right, I'm taking another brush and I will try to place the same golden towards the inner parts of the eye and complete this eye at least and then do this eye off camera. So this eye is done. I'll do this eye off camera and I'll see you like it. So I am back. I've done both the eyes. Lashes भी लगाएंगे हम क्योंकि लगाएंगे हम मन कर रहा है ठीक है. Now we'll जल्दी से we'll do the face and yeah okay ठीक है. So I'm using Forever 52 का color corrector and I will place it all over my face. जहाँ blemishes है या dark spots है. Right, brush ढूंढ लूँ मैं उसके बाद यही करेंगे. Beauty blender and just blend. Now I will take my foundation. I am taking Fit Me 230. I'm in the shade 230 and कितने pumps ले लो यार. अच्छे से just place it all over your face, on your neck and blend. हो चुका है. Right, so that is done. Okay. अब हम contour stick लेंगे. I am taking Maybelline here. Right, Maybelline V Face and I'll just make a 3 and then blend it. I have my brush and I will just blend it. Now I will take my setting powder, Fit Me का setting powder है, and I will place it all over my face. बहुत नुमा मेकअप किया, अच्छा लग रहा है यार. I should do this more regularly. Now I'm taking Maxi blush and अच्छे से लगाएंगे, आज दिवाली है. Eyebrows we'll just brush it. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Right, so I'm using L'Oreal का brow artist kit and just brush it. Wow, that's done. Okay. अब क्या करें? Should we take the risk and put the eyelashes? I think we should. दिवाली है. Okay, so one eye is done. I'll do the other also. Wow, finally लग गए. तो eyelashes लग गए. Now we'll put lots of mascara ताकि दोनों blend हो जाए अच्छे से. And yeah. So we're left with the highlighter and the lip shade. I will basically go with Azores today because yeah थोड़ा बच जाती है. Wow. You see that? Right, so this is done. I am taking Makeup Revolution ka fudge. Makeup Revolution का fudge shade. It's a shade of brown and अगर ये सूट नहीं करा तो 2-3 कलर को मिक्स करके we'll get something, but I think this will work. Oh, nice. Yeah. And now we'll just put the setting spray. And we're done with the video. For aesthetic shots देने आ रही हूँ. Okay, so I am almost ready, right? And this outfit was from Amazon, if I'm not wrong. दुपट्टा मैंने अपनी बहन का चोरी कर लिया because I couldn't find mine. And earrings are from Lajpat Nagar, and that's how they look. And yeah, I'll just put this. ये वाला भी मैं चोरी करके आई हूँ. Right. ये तो हो गया, right? And then bangles, because why not? ये साइज में छोटी है थोड़ी. But yeah, whatever. Whatever looks pretty. I'm done. Okay, right. Right. I think इससे ज़्यादा भी बस कुछ नहीं है दिखाने को. So that's it for today's video. Tell me what are your views in the comment section about this look. And happy Diwali, मीठा खाओ. पिन नहीं है. ये नहीं पता. ये भी नहीं पता. This is Kaju Katli. I'm going to go and eat and decorate the entire house. And thanks for watching today's video. Tell me what are your views in the comment section. Wow. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.